Hello and welcome. As you know, here on Wealth Listicles, we have several great series. This is a continuation of the one that shows which quality stocks has given us a double-digit dividend increase this month of May. Today, we bring you the most ignored, yet the important metrics in the dividend growth investing strategy. This is the most important metrics that veterans use to grow their long-term dividend portfolios into millions. And it is priority above current dividend yields. One of the most important criteria of dividend growth stocks is the rate the company is growing net dividend. This helps the total return, which includes upside potential and dividend payouts, of the stock over time. The rising dividend stream not only provides a hedge against inflation, but also accelerates the payback on investments. Also, I say congratulations for all these increases to all the shareholders of these great stocks. Remember, all we do is bring you the list, not the due diligence that you must do to confirm this information. Let's get right to it. Number 6. Microchip Technology Inc. Ticker symbol MCHP. This is an interesting one with two double-digit increases in 1 year. You should check it out. Current share price $72.79. Current dividend yield of 1.52%. Microchip Technology has 19 years of dividend growth. As far as current valuation, Microchip trades at a P/E ratio of 13.31, which is below S&P 500. This one seems to increase their dividend twice a year. Microchip Technology raised their dividend by 9.1% in February of this year. Microchip Technology just raised their dividend yet again by 9.1% to 28 cents this May. Microchip Technology has a payout ratio of just 19.74%, which means there's exceptional room for future double-digit dividend increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 6.3%. Microchip Technology's 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats S&P 500 with is good. Number 5. Lennox International. Ticker symbol LII. Current share price of $211.51. Current dividend rate of 2.03%. Lennox International has 1 year of dividend growth. As far as current valuation, Lennox International trades at a P/E ratio of just 14.98, which is below S&P 500. Lennox International raised their dividend by 20% in May 2021. Lennox International has yet again raised their dividend by 15% to $1.06 per share this May 2022. Lennox International has a payout ratio of 29.02%, which means there's great room for future double-digit dividend increases. 5-year dividend growth rate of 16.43%. Number 4. Bunge Limited. Ticker symbol BG. Current share price of $114.72. Current dividend rate of 2.18%. Bunge Limited has grown their dividend for 1 year. As far as current valuation, Bunge Limited checks the box with a P/E ratio of just 9.12, which is below S&P 500. Bunge Limited raised their dividend by 5% to 52 cents per share in May 2021. Bunge Limited has yet again raised their dividend by 19% to 62 cents per share this May 2022. Bunge Limited has a payout ratio of just 14.91%, which means there's exceptional room for future double-digit dividend increases. Bunge Limited has a 5-year dividend growth rate of 4.56%. Number 3. Union Pacific Corporation. Ticker symbol UNP. Current share price of $222.50. Current dividend rate of 2.35%. Union Pacific has grown their dividend for 6 years. As far as current valuation, Union Pacific trades at a P/E ratio of 19.02, which is above S&P 500. Union Pacific raised their dividend by 10% to $1.07 per share in May 2021. They have yet again raised their dividend by 10% to $1.30 per share this May 2022. Union Pacific has a payout ratio of 42.74%, which means there's good room for future double-digit dividend increases. Union Pacific 5-year dividend growth rate of 14.87%. Union Pacific 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats S&P 500. We put a lot of work into videos like this that show you great content in presentation format. However, most of our viewers are not subscribing. As you hold the power to grow any channel with your support and subscribe, we implore you to please give us a superb gift of your golden subscribe to encourage us. It doesn't cost you anything. Just click that subscribe button, turn the notification bell blue, then like the video, and you're done. Please don't leave us without your golden gift of liking this video and subscribing. We truly appreciate you and your time. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's move on. Number 2. Northrop Grumman Corporation. Ticker symbol, NOC. Current share price of $470.76. Current dividend rate of 1.48%. Northrop Grumman has grown their dividend for 17 years. As far as current valuation, Northrop Grumman trades at a P/E ratio of 19, which is above S&P 500. Northrop Grumman raised their dividend by 8% to $1.57 per share in May 2021. Northrop Grumman has yet again raised their dividend by 10% to $1.73 per share this May 2022. Northrop Grumman has a payout ratio of 24.97%, which means there's great room for future double-digit increases. Northrop Grumman has a 5-year dividend growth rate of 11.72%. Northrop Grumman 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats S&P 500. Number 1. Lowe's Companies Incorporated. Ticker symbol, LOW. Current share price of $199.63. Current dividend rate of 1.63%. Lowe's has grown their dividend for 58 years, which makes them the leading dividend king on this list. As far as current valuation, Lowe's checks the boxes with a P/E ratio of just 14.74, which is slightly below the S&P 500. Lowe's raised their dividend by 33% to 80 cents per share in May 2021. They have yet again raised their dividend by another 31% to $1.05 per share this May 2022. Lowe's has a payout ratio of 26.08%, which means there's great room for future double-digit dividend increases. Lowe's has a 5-year dividend growth rate of 17.98%. Lowe's 5 years total return, which includes stocks appreciation and dividend payouts, beats S&P 500. That's just a good-looking 5 years total returns from Lowe's. Because we show respect and appreciation of your time, and gave you value, please show us some love if you enjoy videos like this. Show us some love by subscribing, like and clicking that notification bell. Your subscribe and like is a fuel and encouragement that will make us give you more listing videos like this. Please don't leave us without subscribing. Disclaimer, please note that I showcase these stocks for educational purposes only, and shouldn't be taken as investment advice. I don't personally own all these stocks, just some. Please do you own due diligence and or consult your expert investment advisor, as more fundamental analysis may be needed before investing. Please also note that the past performance of these stocks does not guarantee or indicate similar future performance.